How to add a photo as a comment on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a photo as a comment on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if an update is available. Once the app is updated, open Instagram and go to the post where you want to leave a photo comment. Tap the comments icon below the post. If your account has access to the feature, you'll see a photo or gallery icon in the comment box. Tap it, select the photo you want to upload, and then post your comment. If you don't see the photo icon, there are a few possible reasons. The feature may not be available for your account yet, or the post owner may have disabled photo comments. To check your own settings, open your Instagram profile, tap the menu in the top right corner, go to Settings, search for Comments, and look for the Allow Photo Comments option. If it's available, turn it on to let others comment with photos on your posts. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and tutorials.